Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device and unlocking access so you can remove a system partition safely. First, back up all user files and a full image. Once done, verify backups. Next, enable developer options, turn on OEM unlocking and USB debugging so the PC can communicate. Then, connect to a reliable computer with the proper OEM USB drivers installed, and charge the phone above 50% to avoid shutdown during flashing. This setup prevents data loss and boot issues before you proceed. Once in fast boot, you perform the actual system deletion step by step so the partition is cleanly removed. First, confirm the device appears with fast boot devices, and if the bootloader remains locked, run the OEM unlock command. Make sure you understand this wipes user data. Now use Fastboot Erase System to remove system partition contents, or Fastboot Format System if you need a clean file system. Choose based on your goal. After erasing, verify partition size and success messages before moving on to install or reboot. Finally, you complete the process by installing a replacement system or safely rebooting. This prevents a bricked device. If you plan to continue, flash a new system image with Fastboot Flash System file. Then boot to recovery to inspect logs and perform any necessary factory resets. Make sure to clear caches when required. If the device fails to boot, reflash the stock factory image or restore your backup from recovery to recover. One tip: keep the computer connection stable to avoid corrupted flashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.